So this is how to publish a thread on Instagram Threads using the API. So as you can see, I don't have any threads at present. I'm going to open up the terminal. I'm going to open code luciddeveloper.py. I'm going to import into there. I'm going to import the Threads API. I'm going to then use the Threads API, specify the username and password. I'm going to hide this value so you won't be able to see that. Then I'm going to do the API publish step, which is basically what the message is. So I'm just going to put hello YouTube, hello Insta, hello TikTok, and then I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back to the terminal and I'm going to run this script. So I'm just going to bring that into shot. So I'm running that as we speak. As you can see, that's just ran. And now if we go back to Instagram Threads, there we go. So that's how to post to Instagram using the API.